Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can how you can download and install the Google Chrome into your browser, which is the fast, secure web browser. So on how we can download and install that, we need to open the default browser of our Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Chrome, download, hit enter, and you'll find the official website, which is from www.google.com. Click on that. So it's from www.google.com, and you'll find this button, download Chrome, for Windows 11 and for Windows 10, which is for the 64-bit. Click on download Chrome, and the setup file will be downloaded for a while. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, click on it and close the Edge browser. And we just need to wait for the installation process to be done so that we can sign in into our Chrome browser. Okay, so let's just wait in a while. Now, Google Chrome is installed into our Windows. Simply click on sign in and just enter your email. So let me just quickly enter my email. And now Chrome browser is installed into our Windows, so we can now search for our favorite info from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily download and install the Chrome browser into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.